Hi, I'm Francisco. I'm working on a DIY project here, redoing my bathroom with the demolition. And as you can see, it's pretty dusty, so I've set up just some masking tape here to prevent the dust coming out, but I need a better solution because the air quality in the whole apartment is getting pretty bad. So I've reached out to Reusable, and I'm going to be installing a Reusable door, so I'm pretty excited about this. That's it, we're set up. So thanks again to Reusable. I can come in and out safely and get dust protection for me and my entire family. Thanks again, Reusable. Great product.